we are going to discuss another example in which our question is given. There is a ladder of length 5 meter is placed against a wall where the bottom of the ladder touches at the ground here and the top reaches at this point of the wall. If you see here, there is a right angle between the base, means the ground, and the wall. There is a right angle. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we are getting here x square plus y square is equal to square of y, means square of base plus square of perpendicular is equal to square of hypotenuse. Here we have given, if we pull away the foot of the ladder away from the wall, we know that top of the ladder falls down, means as we increase the distance at a speed of 2 cm per second, the top of the ladder falls down. We have to calculate at what speed when the value of x is given by 4 meter, means the foot of ladder is 4 meter away from the bottom of the wall. If we use the value of x by 4, we get square of 4 is plus y square is equal to 25. Square of 4 becomes 16 here, plus y square is equal to 25. By shifting 16 on the right side, we get 9 here. As you know, y is the square of 3. We reject here negative because height of the wall is always positive. By taking derivative on both sides, by power root 2x dx by dt, 2y dy by dt, right side is a constant, so it becomes 0. 2 cancel out throughout. If we simplify, it becomes x dx by dt plus y dy by dt is equal to 0. We have to calculate here the parameter dy by dt. So by shifting on the other side, dy by dt, we get from here minus x dx by dt. By shifting this value, it becomes dy. Now using all the values, x is given by 4 here, y is given by 3, we already calculated, dx by dt is given by 2. So it becomes minus 8 by 3. Unit of change of y is according to change of x. That is given by centimeter per second. Means if we pull away the bottom of the ladder away from the wall, the top of the ladder which touches the wall falls down at a speed of 8 by 3 centimeter per second. The next question is, there is a curve equation by 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Here we have to find out the point, means the value of x and y, where such that the change in y is 8 times the change in x. We can say it also like this, dy by dx is equal to 8. This value we have given. So we are starting from the curve here. The curve is given by 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Because it is clear from the statement, dy by dx we have to calculate here. So 6 times dy by dx is equal to, using power root 3x here, that root 2 becomes 0. Dy by dx is given by 8. Using this value here, so we get here 6 multiply 8 is equal to 3x here. By cancel out by 3, it becomes 2, so it becomes 16. So value of x becomes either plus 4, otherwise minus 4. Using this value in the given statement of curve, we get 6y is equal to cube of x plus 2, otherwise cube of minus 4 plus 2. So we get from here 64 plus 2, 66 from one case, and from other case we get minus 64 plus 2 means minus 62. These are the value of 6y. So value of y become from here either 11, otherwise minus 62 by 6 means 31 by 3. So our question is find out the value of x, means points. So points are given by, first point is given by 4 with 11, and second one is given by minus 4 with minus 31 by 3. So like this we understand how can we find out the value of x and y coordinate when the change in y is given with respect to change in x on a curve. Next question we are going to discuss, it is given through a pipe that is cylindrical in shape, sand is pouring out, means sand is coming out from the pipe and gives the shape of cone. The speed of the sand coming out from the cylindrical is given by 12 centimeter per second, and the height of this shape is given by 1/6 of the radius. We have to find out the change in height due to the sand coming out from the pipe. If we see, if we do in practicals, if we throw out the sand through the pipe, the height of the cone increases, means this value comes out increasing. That is positive when the height is given by 4 centimeter. Means what we have given here, r with the radius h is height of cone, it is given, volume related link is given, so volume of cone it is given by 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here, if you see here, there are two variables, but before this we have done, we are using only single variable, so we are going to change from here because we need only h parameter, no doubt. So from here we are getting the value of r. R from here become 6h. Changing the value from here, we become from here 1 by 3 pi r square means square of 6h multiply h. After simplify, we get this one pi into 12 h cube. Because square of 6 become 36, cancel out by 3 become 12. Now we are taking derivative with respect to time. Because it is given, we have to take differentiation with respect to time. Values remain constant. Derivative of h cube by using power rule. Power come forward, power decrease by 1, and derivative of base x become dh by dt. Now using the given values, dv by dt is given by 12. Replace it. Is equal to 12 pi multiply 3 square of h at it is already given 4, so it becomes 4 multiply 4 multiply dh by dt. If we shift 12 cancel out at 12 1, so it becomes 1 upon all these value comes in divide 4 4 is 16 3 is 48 with pi. It gives us the value of dh by dt. It means height of the cone shaped sand is goes on increasing with a rate of 1 upon 48 pi. Height is given in centimeter and time is given by second. Means dh by dt become 1 upon 48 pi centimeter per second.